Yeah. Oh, there's Laura, I think, right there. And that, yeah.
This is a white water raft attraction at Disney's California Adventure in Anaheim. It's fun. It's a great way to get wet, but this late at night getting wet, you know, doesn't dry you out like during the day. But it's just a nice, relaxing place to, you know, stand and just watch people having a good time. Really. This is in Anaheim, California. It's just a very lovely area for a theme park. You've got this whole outdoor area here, and you know, you got all this mountainous looking stuff, and all this water stuff. The waterfalls are amazing. It's really just a very, very serene place to hang out, honestly. And you get to go on the attraction too and have some fun. Sitch. What is a sitch? I don't know what a sitch is. I'm sorry.
Grayson, that people.
What a show. What a show.
Can we do it? Let's do it. Yeah, you will.
This gift shop actually has some good shit in it sometimes. Check it out. Let me go check it out. Hey, all right, there's a kid. Hey, baby. How you doing? Did you get to go on? How many times?
One.
Just one? Just one? I was waiting here for like an hour.
What?
My legs
got hurt. So I took
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Well, the ride broke down.
Yeah, I saw that.
So, when the ride was breaking down, I talked to my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Say hello time. Him.
Okay. That's awesome.
I gotta show him my new shirt.
Cool.
Should put this stuff in the locker.
Yeah, these ones over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, they had free ones. I just saw them. Actually, I did see them when I was standing over here. Let's see. Are you going to go on again?
Yep.
Okay, where are they? I was standing over here, and I saw a big red block. There they are. Right there. Right there. Oh, you got to pay for the damn things, really?
Not to be rude. Oh,
Really?
no, for 1 hour. For 1 hour, it's free.
Oh, okay, yeah. Go ahead. Yep. Don't forget your code.
Oh, boy. I guess you can hold it.
I can totally hold it. No problem. Gonna go on again? Okay, have fun.
Make sure no one steals it.
Oh no, no one will steal it, honey. I got it. Have fun. Oh, the jerk just walked through his picture. Let's see how far I can go into this without this channel shutting down, right?
No, my pants.
The Wi-Fi at the park is extremely... You get it?
My autofocus wasn't letting it go. You can go ahead.
Oh, okay. The Wi-Fi in the park is spotty because everyone's trying to use it. So I walk into a store and it just cuts out. What's this? Oh, okay. That was a potato bug. Kinda. The Star-Spangled Banana. That's awesome. This is newish. It's a pajama set, so it's going to be very expensive. This is a few years old, I believe. These are nice.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Sorry.
You're fine. You're fine. Oh, these socks are the best. Curse my kids, lad, I'm on socks. Me and me money on socks, and of course me nephews. Hey, here's Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Great. Good for everyone. Yeah, these are a few years old as well. But they're still nice. I still have the pair of socks. I've only worn them a few times, actually. Had to get them. I'm a huge McDuck fan. Absolutely huge McDuck fan. Very upset when Alan Young passed and David Tennant took over the role. Very upset about that. But that's okay.
Sorry.
Where are they?
I can
Cool.
check in the back just in case, but I can't guarantee we will have them. Is there a certain size you're looking for? Medium? Okay.
Oh, watches though. They used to have awesome watches. Here they are.
You can add 2 for $1.99. Would you like to?
What are they?
When you buy one, you get the engraving.
I don't like these watches. I really don't like the prices of these watches either. Oh, that's typical. Oh well. No goofy watches for me this year. Oh well. Oh well. What's this over here? That's different. Play in the Park, Disneyland Resort. Yes, you too can walk from the castle to the sweet treat. Huh. That's new. I like that. Wow. That's keeping things looking classic. Interesting. Very nice. I don't know if they sell these stupid pictures. Nah, whatever. I also want to know if they sell this firewood down here. Yeah, just in case my motel's cold. Something. All the glow stuff, I love it. Very, very cool. I know you guys can't see the details on that, but that's actually pretty darn cool looking. Very nice and detailed within. Krampus, okay. Hello, Krampus. Happy to hear some Christmas stuff now. Oh, just hanging out. Kids on the ride, so I'm just hanging out.
Hey, bro, get my churro. Let it be, bro.
Sooner or later, that'll be great. Well, this motherfucker might as well take me along.
Yeah, what a waste.
Take my time. Take me along. Nothing ever greater. Might as well take me along. Might as well take me along. Along.
You know what I personally think we should do?
Use the force. Oh.
There you
Well,
go.
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No.
That was awesome. Wow. That's some good hospitality.
I'm going tomorrow. I'm going to
I just noticing not a whole lot of adults at the moment around. Lots of younger people. I don't know. Oh, the park has changed a lot since the pandemic. Really, it's like a whole different animal now. I used to come here all the time before the pandemic, and I knew this place like the back of my hand. But not everything's different, but there's enough stuff that's different that it's obvious that things are different.
That's why I had to do it at night.
I don't really know how else to describe it besides that.
That's why our hotel is being here.
Yeah. I don't know, the pandemic's really didn't help me stay in shape enough to tackle this place like I used to, that's for sure. But it's really nice to be back, but gosh, there's a whole lot of people here. Not a whole lot of masks. Well, she's wearing a mask. That's awesome. Not many people wearing masks though. Not at all. So that's a little unnerving. You know, I don't know. Seems weird. That seems weird. What am I doing? I have to show this down. Kinda boring.